Alright, this is Eruca video part 2. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this door, and what you do is you go between the poles, one block back, turn around, like I just did. It's pretty fucking obvious, Eruca. Then I'm going to get rid of that door, just so I can save some space, and I get scaffolding out. It'll make it easier for when you have to build up the walls, because you'll be in survival mode while I have the privilege of creative mode in this situation. So basically we're taking white concrete, we're filling in the walls. These are composters and you interact with them. So when I put these logs, you need to shift, or you need to crouch so that you can place them. This is because you can make shit in them. You might not have to do this on PC, but if you're right clicking and it's not working, that's what you have to do. Then I'm just going to keep raising the walls. I'm probably going to go 1 block above or 2 blocks above those fence posts, because we'll do campfire things on top of those, which we'll get to later. But here I'm building your side wall, and this has a window. So 1 block of concrete, then leave a 2 block high gap in the middle. And then we'll do this front wall. So first I'll just be placing the white concrete like a monkey. I played in PE because I wanted you to not feel like I was going too fast, because I'm very good at this game. And I'm building up, crouch, place the logs. And I'm just placing one layer of white concrete out everywhere, leaving a 3x3 hole. Then I'm placing 2 upside down stairs at each edge of the hole with a trapdoor on the sides. And same with the crouching of the trapdoor. You need to crouch to place leaves if you click on that block, but if you're just placing around by connecting the leaves, you won't have to worry about it. Then I am putting the white concrete, and you just want a 2 high block gap again. That'll be a window in your lovely waterfall basin house. Placing logs. I don't know if you got that reach on survival, so you might have to walk more. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place trapdoors. And these ones are actually going to be kind of janky. So, you see how they're, fucked up? So you could just break them and try again. Sometimes you just have to change your perspective. So I did that, and it works this time. You just want them up against the wall. Oh, retard. So that's fixed. Then what I'm going to do is I'm placing 3 campfires here. Now what you do is you take your shovel and you right-click each of those campfires to put the fire itself out. That's a very important thing to know how to do when you're building this house, because you do it all the fucking time. Alright, then I put the 2 trapdoors on the redstone lamps, as you saw. Make sure they're going in the same direction, because if they don't, I will end your life. And then I added some more campfires with the right click of the shovel to put the fires out. Alright, so now, because my iPad was being ass cheeks, or my storage was being ass cheeks, and the screen recording doesn't work, I split this video up into 2 separate parts edited together. So soon it'll cut, but right now I'm showing you how to use scaffolding. So first, to make the vertical height of the column, you just place the block, and then just keep right-clicking in that same spot, and you'll see it went up as I did it. Then what I'm doing is I'm building horizontally, but the way you can do this is, if you saw the way I pointed through the block, and it built up, in PC it will build through horizontally. And if you need any help with that, I can help you. But this will make it easy for you just to walk side by side when you're building these windows and these facades of walls. Because it's going to be pretty high. Plus you're kind of clumsy. You're Eruca after all. So same thing, I made the 3 wide gap, 2 stairs, the trapdoor facing the same way as the other one. Fill in those blocks so you get the 2 block high window, and then the trapdoors of oak, closing them. Again, if they just fucked up, then just delete them, put it back. 10 trapdoors, 3 campfires, and then put them out. Bada bing, bada six. And that window's done. And then I'll just add another layer. We'll kind of go further into this when we get into the roof video, like how high each one should be and stuff. So that's one done. And I actually decided to keep the hedges out so the windows wouldn't be too high. Like that window is kind of high, you'll see. And that was the turnover of the video, as seamlessly as it was. And now we're going over to this side. I'm going to do the same scaffolding, so I'll place there, and then I'll try to place through, and it won't work. And they're kind of janky. It just takes practice. You'll get used to it. Not like it'll be a useful skill you'll use all the time or anything. But then I'm adding it. And as you can see now, you can see that I have switched the world to one where I have built Skylanders in the year 2016, I'd say it probably occurred. So I'll give bonus points if you can guess the 3 Skylanders in this video. You see, that's what happens when you do it with no crouch. But yeah, I switched the world over, so I'm recording on my iPad Pocket Edition Minecraft as opposed to my phone Pocket Edition Minecraft. So I just chose a super flat world with creative and just started building, you know. So these windows are going to be like the ones with no hedges, but I decided to do 2, and they're pretty much just the same window replicated. You'll kind of see what I mean. So I did the 2 gaps to outline the windows with the upside down spruce stairs, and I'm filling it in with the white concrete. So yeah, 3x3 gaps, building across. And make sure, I'm sure you know this basic fact, but you have to place on the floor for the log to go straight up and down. But that's relatively simple stuff, really. You can't place it from the horizontal panel of the white concrete, or it will be bad. And then your balls will be removed. So add the trapdoors. Like I said, no hedges, so you just go straight into your oak trapdoor outline. So the blocks, and then with the scaffolding, you don't have fly obviously, so you just go to the pillar and you could just ride up it like a ladder. Just press spacebar. It's pretty simple stuff, really. And then you build that. Spruce trapdoor. The campfires across 3 more campfires across the middle of that window, and then add the spruce trapdoors there into the middle to connect it. And then I'm going to hit it with the right click shovel. Bada bing, bada boom. Then I will apply the trapdoors. So there you have it. And oh, that was a monkey moment. How embarrassing. Then I'll do this. Alright, and now we're going to move on to the back, the big booty windows, if you will. Because these ones will be 2x2 cubes. Crazy, I know. Try to keep it in your pants, though. I know it's hard. In both ways. So yeah, you see how I placed through here? This is how you would do it on PC, but it didn't work because it's PE, so you just have to do this horizontal method. And I'm also, because of this, I'm going to show you like what happens when you reach the edge. So like the scaffolding can support a certain distance, but eventually it gives out and it'll just experience gravity. Then you just keep placing it till you get a pole, like a new support structure pole, or you can just connect them from the middle. You see how I did that, and they like fall. But if I just connected it without like reaching that limit from the right, then you'd be good. So yeah, same basic pattern. You do your white donut where you just do 1 block outline around the whole thing. And don't do that. That's some dumbass shit. He's got to go into the creative menu. This is so embarrassing. There I go. put that back. Ignore the creeper. You won't have to deal with any of those. Alright, so then, fuck up 2 blocks, and then try again. So same thing, do the ring. And it's going to be a double window, and these ones are going to have hedges, if I remember correctly. So you'll add the hedges as well. And we'll do more to the hedges, like there's signs and stuff as decorations in the decorational video, which will probably be later. But we're not worried about that. We're still trying to get you in a box at this point. So yeah, instead of the typical 1 block gap between the stairs, it's 2 block gaps. So 2 trapdoors, 2 trapdoors. Ignore the spider. So I'm placing concrete. So Eruca, how are you liking this house so far? Is it everything you dreamed your block man would live in when you dreamed of living in a house? Could you see you and your future family in suburbia living in this house? I hope so. You and your children. I don't know what you would name your children. Definitely leave a comment below though. I would love to hear. So, yeah, you fill in those blocks. Then I'll add the leaves. 4. Leave the gap. 4. And then I'm going to place it in an upside down staircase to connect the leaves in a second. Where first I'm going to fall off the scaffolding like a dumbass. So yeah, place your oak trap doors. Close those hoes. Place those. Close those hoes. Do the same thing. And then do that. Bada bing. So, Eruca, if you could be any animal in the whole world, what would you be? And you would be forced to reproduce with an animal of the opposite sex. That same animal type. You know, for the sake of breeding and biology. So yeah, there's the upside down stair. And then I'm going to have a brain fart for like 5 seconds. And then I'm going to look and still be thinking so hard about whatever the fuck I was doing. Now I'm going to go put them out with the right click shovel technique. Easy peasy. And I would call that done. So the way to get rid of the scaffolding is if you just break these like blocks, the bottom parts, you see it kind of gives out like with the support thing. So you'll just need to break the legs and you'll be chilling. And you'll have yourself some finished scaffolding. That's basically what I'll do at the end of this video. So I'll see you in the next part. Leave a comment of what the Skylanders are. And if you get them right, I will give you a blowjob. And I'm going to fill this concrete in. Of course. Alright. Thank you and good night.